guys, I don't show how to create a character in Chub AI, but before you party, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all Chub AI tools. So you can Chub AI account. Click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Click on it and you see here the create character link. Click on it, be directed to this page. So add your character info, name, add your avatar, upload the avatar of your character, select your tagline. So this will be displayed in the search results. Sharp name, character notes, tags, choose the type of character on the public or private. The rating, you can see at the anonymous. The character publish it, enter my username or publish as anonymous. You can import a character definition with the JSON, the description, initial message, scenario, example dialogues, the character. So this is it, pretty much it, guys. And when you click on create the character, you could also add advanced definitions here, alternate greetings, system prompt, but the default prompt of the character notes and book. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.